Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix account disabled on Instagram. So potentially, if you violated any kind of community guideline, then Instagram disabled your account permanently. So most of the time, there is no way to recover your account. Just you can appeal to recover your account. So you don't need to go to your app for this. You can just go for your Chrome browser, then search your recover Instagram account, then go for this first link, account login. This is the basically help center of Instagram. Then go for okay. You have to search your recover my or just account hacked any. Then go for disabled Instagram account here. Now scroll down, go for hacked Instagram account. Then go for if you think that your Instagram account has been hacked, go for this, visit this page. Now click on my account was hacked. Go for next. Now you have to add your username, phone number or email address of that Instagram account, your disabled Instagram account. When you are done, just go for next, and this is how you can appeal for your disabled account to Instagram. After that, they can uh, maybe they can reply you, because if your account permanently disabled, most of the time this is not gonna be recovered. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.